Hello everyone, I'm Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors, and I'm in our Temecula showroom today to demonstrate how to replace a key cylinder in our swinging patio door. To begin, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the handle from the door. You only need to remove the exterior side of the handle. Next, remove the key cylinder from the handle. Install the new cylinder into place and tighten the bracket down using your Phillips head screwdriver. When reinstalling your handle, you want to make sure that the cylinder lines up with the open slot in the door lock. The spindle or tongue of the lock must align to the lock receiver. If not aligned properly, the key will be unable to be removed after the install. If this occurs, simply remove the handle and flip the tongue 180 degrees. Put the handle back into place and reinstall using the original hardware. Test your lock, and your installation is finished.